do again here. He gives some to Tim Duke. That's a class cut shot. Well balanced, good power. Oh, we do want to get in the right place. Beautiful shot. Magnificent control. Perfectly on top of it. Actually, he's really playing wonderful cricket at the moment. Johnson charging in, 2 wickets to his name. With the game, Tendulkar pushes it past Simons. Consecutive fours. Tendulkar on fire. First was to the left of that point fielder, this time to the right of him. Great cricket. Perfect, perfect. Brilliantly done. It's about balance, isn't it? It's not too much footwork there, just the balance. Keeps his hands in really close to his body. Just a very, very efficient style of batting. Power on the back foot. Bretley gets onto the pads again. Gets away with it. Just gets immense power once it onto his leg stump. He'll be a little bit disappointed there. So it's a bit of a laugh for Bretley. He didn't come that way. And he starts well. What's that inside edge? It's going to go for 4. And it's an edge. That must have come back in a long way. How did it miss the stumps? Inside, oh, it went over the stumps. What a terrific first ball. Adam Gilchrist got a little bit of glove on that, but that would have been a miraculous catch. Ooh, a play and miss. Gilchrist misses it. Runs all the way for 4. Looks like buys. The ball's moving around a lot. It seems to be swinging after it goes through past the stumps as well. Seam position. It's suddenly just it dipped and swung, and Gilchrist tried his best, but 4 runs. Good bounce, good swing. And he's got him! Bretley, play on. Interesting reaction there from Bretley. So, Tendulkar is on his way, played on, through the gate, plays on. Seam, just a hint of inside movement, and only just sort of both the wheels jumped up and one came back on, so he didn't know initially. He thought he'd gone for a boundary. But in the air, but in the gap, firmly struck. Catch was the call from one of the fielders. Just followed it nicely. You're right, played a bit too early. You can see there, carried in the air. Not all that far wide of the man. Edged and taken brilliantly by Adam Gilchrist. And Nathan Bracken staying in the corridor of uncertainty. Has picked up Yuvraj Singh. Feel the bat on the ball. He left a couple. And then Nathan Bracken, you can just see that one right where you want to. It's just going over off stump. Yuvraj gets the little nick. Gilchrist does the rest. He's gone hard at that. He's timed it pretty well. Uthappa odds the fielder as well. Simon's got a good arm. He's gone hard at that. That might rock it to the fence. It does. Finally to win the over. It's 57 to 4. That's a much better shot. More in control. Doesn't have enough to get to the fence. Must be in boundary to win the over. 62 for 4 India. He's batting on 4. And what a shot this is. Nicely balanced, presenting the full face of the bat. Getting his front leg in a very good position to be able to press. That's a better bat he has. Another one for Gilchrist. And that really is the signal for the crowd. It's really silenced the stadium. But a big wicket. 400th catch for Adam Gilchrist. Right, he's middled that one nicely. And Nathan Bracken quite brightly elated. Good, confident young man. Future of Indian cricket. So while he's there, there is a lot of hope. Patan, excellent opportunity for him as well. A nick, carry, and he's on his way. James Hopes picks up his first wicket. And it's getting worse and worse for the Indians. Patan on his way. Well, that is some hit. That's really gone all the way. That's a huge hit. That's brought the crowd alive. I don't think he's worried about Uthappa. It's himself getting out. Oh, that's such a clean lightning strike of the ball. Middle, it's gone miles. Well, that's a good shot. There's no appeal for Ben there. He's gone straight past Lee. That's authentic. Got an excellent temperament as well. Hit him straight. The fielders aren't there.
He's traced them pretty well. It's 88-6.
Walking down the pitch, I'm not sure that's exactly where he tried to hit it, but it was right out of the middle of the bat. Looked like he was trying to go over mid-on, and the ball was onto him a little bit quicker, but he spanked it over mid-off. Great shot.
The slow delivery. It's been put away quite nicely. I'd be happy with that. Just fancy his batting skills, Harbhajan.
He adjusted beautifully. Harbhajan Singh was a slower ball. At the back of the hand. And elbow nice and high. Placed it beautifully. Short arm jab.
Gilchrist. It's about 35-36. That's great fine. And played nicely. Done something to his hamstring muscle there. James Hope is the man. Give it a chase, give it 100%, and he may have done some damage.
Like a hamstring. Not a good ball, has to be said from Brad Holt. Drags it down. James Hope sprinting around. Couldn't get there. Pulls up sore.
India can get there by just knocking the ball around, picking up those ones and twos. Making room, India has put it away. Shoot point, magnificent shot. Great piece of improvisation from Uthappa. Ricky Ponting, well, he's feeling the heat.
Sublime stuff. Won't get the angle with that shot there. But he goes miles outside leg stump. Give himself some width. Great cricket.
Thinks that it's out. Uthappa can't believe it. Crowd is absolutely stunned by this tragedy. Story that Uthappa was probably out. It was a quicker delivery. But Ricky Ponting pretty keen still to involve Brett Hogg into the attack. It's a change ball. Goes for the drive. Zaheer has played a lovely cover drive. It's a 4. Vicious boundary for India.
It's good batting as well. He's a powerful man, so we need to see it. The ball's thrown up, back to line, plants his feet. Good swing of the bat. Get his length and his line right.
Edge and taken by Ricky Ponting. Mitchell Johnson has once again picked up a crucial wicket. Harbhajan Singh falls.
You can chat, video call without needing to add friends. It's one-on-one private video. Talk about any...
Whatever you do, it's better with a website. Introducing Hostinger Website Builder, the fast and easy website builder optimized for online success.
Australia once again tilt the balance in their favor.
4 dot balls preceding this from Johnson. So Harbhajan Singh probably felt like he needed to play at it. Excellent catch there from Ricky Ponting right in front of the eyes.
With the bat, he's supposed to do that with the ball, and he probably did.
And with the chief selectors, Philippine Soccer. Zaheer Khan's parents. Still something to smile about.
Good shot. Very good strike.
Brad had in the field and the deep. Just a single. Swift form, he struck. He just gets one. Nicely played. Played it very late. And it gets to the fence this time around. Much to the delight of the crowd. And it's a lovely deft touch from Karthik.
Very good shot. Nicely played. Very, very late. You don't have to hit the ball hard. Hogg's looking for an appeal. Johnson thought he had it, and it bubbled a little bit on him. Taking out the, reliance.
Big appeal. Did not hear a sound, but the appeal was just as Brett Lee. He went up very late. It's just a fine nick. Just a fine one. Very, very faint indeed. Brett Lee heard it. Can't believe it. How can Andrew Simons? That's to the delight of everybody. I'm on Karthik. 167 for 8. Really is a cool game. Searching for the Yorker, just angled away with the pace. That's the way to play it. Not happy, man. Not happy at all. Over the top. Oh, beautifully played. He's bowled magnificently during this series, Brad Hogg, but this time he's not bowled as well as he could. And Ponting's not happy. Noah's lead. Stunning shot from Zaheer. Has it done the trick to put pressure in Australia? Certainly the scales are tilting. What Australia have got to tell themselves that it only takes 2 balls. What a shot this is. Almost like it's premeditated. The old 2020 getting in a bit of practice and he's whooped it away. Straight down the ground. The fastest bowler over his head. Thank you very much.
Mental balance.
Edge and he's gone for 4. The gap, he's threaded the needle. Luck and momentum on India's side. 4 more.
Ricky Ponting was standing wide, almost slip and a half. Outside edge he goes exactly in between Gilchrist and Ponting. They're living dangerously, but 4 runs to India.
They won't be complaining. Dominant side. It's going wide. It's going to be 4. They are within a stroke of victory, the Indians. 6 needed to win. They can finish it with 1 ball. Zaheer has done it before. He got a 6 off. Brett Lee in the previous over, but this is played very fine indeed.
The angle down the leg side. And beautifully played by Zaheer.
Every run extremely important. 3 to win now. Karthik to play out the last ball of Johnson's over. It's gone far. He's run away for 4. India have won this match. Led by, they've settled the issue. And aren't they happy? They have achieved a famous victory, which looked extremely unlikely at one stage when they were 6 down for 64. What a turnaround in this game. They fought till the end, and the law order has come good just when they needed to. This is going to be a huge morale boost for India, ending the series with a victory.
Yeah, the Indian team are ecstatic. Hugging handshakes. So they've won their 2nd game of this series. Still a 20-20 to go.
Well, what a partnership, unbroken, 52 of 62. What a game Karthik has had. Not out, 21 of